On 13 June 2025, Israel launched a massive airstrike on Iranian nuclear and military sites. Key targets included Isfahan Nuclear Research Center, missile storage, and IRGC command posts. Over 150 missiles and drones were used by Israel in just one night. Casualties: over 657 Iranians killed, including 263 civilians, and 24 Israelis reported dead so far. Iran's response: Iran launched ballistic missile and drone attacks on Israeli cities. One major attack hit Soroka Hospital in Beersheba, injuring around 50 people. Iran warned of future attacks on US military ships in the Gulf. US involvement. On 22 June, the US joined the war by targeting Iran's nuclear facilities in Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. Attacks were carried out using V-2 stealth bombers and Tomahawk missiles. US President Trump called it a decisive response. International reactions. UN and European nations have called for an immediate ceasefire. China, Russia, and Turkey condemned US and Israeli actions. Global oil prices are rising due to fears of disruption in the Persian Gulf. Human impact. Country deaths, injuries. Iran 657 जुमा, 263 civilians unknown. Israel 24 जुमा, 2368 जुमा. US none reported yet. Internet outages and electricity failures have been reported in many parts of Iran. Thousands of families have been displaced or lost homes in Isfahan and Tehran. US may increase involvement if Iran retaliates further. Iran has said no negotiations unless Israeli attacks stop completely. There's fear this could turn into a larger regional war involving Hezbollah, Syria, and Gulf states. Topic details. War start date 13 June 2025. Trigger Israeli airstrikes on Iran. US involvement by June, attacked 3 nuclear sites. Current casualties: hundreds killed, thousands injured. Global impact: oil prices rising, global concern.